Are you ready to unlock your potential and discover how you can generate a consistent stream of income in 2023? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving straight into a game-changing opportunity, affiliate marketing. No gimmicks, just a proven method that could help you get additional cash flow. Let's jump right to it. Selecting affiliate products. Your first move, head over to reputable affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or Digistore24. These platforms offer a vast array of products and services that you can promote to earn commissions. The key to success here lies in your product selection. When browsing through these marketplaces, focus on products that provide discounts or special offers through affiliate links. These discounts can be a powerful incentive for potential customers to make a purchase through your unique affiliate link. For the sake of illustration, let's consider this product, Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. This product, which can be found on one of these affiliate marketplaces, offers a substantial $50 discount to customers who make a purchase using your affiliate link. This discount is a fantastic selling point and can significantly boost your chances of earning commissions. Remember, the product you choose should align with your target audience's interests and needs. It's crucial to select products that resonate with your audience to maximize your conversion rates. So, take your time to explore the available options and find products that offer real value and savings to potential customers. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full potential of affiliate marketing and securing those lucrative commissions. Creating a video. Once you've chosen your affiliate product, it's time to create a compelling video to promote it. You can start by recording your own video. In this video, you can share your knowledge and insights about the product, Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. Discuss its key features, benefits, and how it can meet the needs of your target audience. Mention that you've done your research and found a fantastic $50 discount for this product, which is exclusively available through your affiliate link. If you prefer an alternative method, you can use AI tools to transform the product's sales page into a video. These tools can automatically generate engaging videos using the content from the product's sales page. You can then add your voiceover or commentary to personalize the video and emphasize the $50 discount available through your affiliate link. In either case, ensure that you keep your video simple, informative, and engaging. Clearly state how interested buyers can claim the $50 discount. They just need to click the link provided in the video description. This straightforward approach can encourage potential customers to take action and make a purchase, boosting your affiliate marketing success. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our pivot online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Uploading the video. After creating your promotional video, the next step is to upload it to YouTube. To maximize visibility and engagement, it's crucial to optimize your video's title and description. For the title, keep it straightforward and attention-grabbing. Something like Smartphone Filmmaking Pro $50 Real Discount. This title not only highlights the key selling point, which is the discount, but also piques the viewer's curiosity. In the video description, provide a brief yet informative description of the product, emphasizing the benefits and features that make it a must-have. Include your unique affiliate link prominently, making it easy for interested viewers to access the exclusive discount. Mention how this discount is only available through your link to drive clicks. By optimizing your video's title and description, you'll increase the likelihood of attracting potential customers, boosting your chances of earning commissions through your affiliate marketing efforts. Video optimization. To enhance the visibility of your YouTube video and increase its chances of reaching a broader audience, there are a few key optimization strategies you can employ. First, consider creating a relevant playlist on your YouTube channel that focuses on the niche or category to which the product, Smartphone Filmmaking Pro, belongs. Add your promotional video to this playlist. This not only organizes your content, but also encourages viewers to explore more of your videos, potentially leading them to your affiliate promotion. Next, pay attention to tags and keywords. When you upload your video, include relevant tags that describe the product, its features, and the niche it serves. Use popular and specific keywords that potential customers might use when searching for similar products. This will enhance your video's search ranking, making it more likely to appear in search results, recommended videos, and related content. By incorporating these optimization techniques, you'll improve your video's visibility, ultimately increasing the chances of attracting viewers who are interested in the product and potentially earning more commissions through your affiliate marketing efforts. Playlist strategy. To maximize the impact of your YouTube playlist, it's crucial to implement a strategic approach. Start by conducting a thorough search for the top 10-20 videos that are closely related to your playlist topic, which, in this case, is smartphone filmmaking and the product Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. Once you've identified these top-performing videos, add them to your playlist. This not only enriches your playlist with high-quality content, but also helps create a comprehensive resource for viewers interested in the niche. An essential step is to arrange your own promotional video at the top of the playlist. This strategic placement grants your video more authority and visibility within the playlist. When viewers access the playlist, your video will be the first they encounter. This can lead to increased exposure, more clicks, and higher engagement with your affiliate promotion. By curating a playlist in this manner, you'll harness the collective strength of top-performing videos while ensuring that your own video stands out as a prominent and trusted resource in the playlist, enhancing your affiliate marketing success. Facebook strategy. To maximize the impact of your affiliate marketing video, it's essential to employ a comprehensive promotional strategy that extends beyond YouTube. One powerful avenue to explore is Facebook. Begin by sharing your video on your Facebook profile or page. Craft a compelling post that spotlights the benefits of the product, Smartphone Filmmaking Pro, with a strong emphasis on the exclusive $50 discount available through your affiliate link. Clearly convey the value this product offers to your audience and why they should seize this opportunity. Make sure your post is visually appealing and includes a compelling call to action. But don't stop there. Extend your reach by joining relevant Facebook groups dedicated to smartphone filmmaking or related niches. Within these groups, share your video while adhering to their specific rules and guidelines. Incorporate trending hashtags to enhance the discoverability of your posts, and highlight the discount prominently. Moreover, actively engage with group members by answering questions, providing valuable insights, and fostering discussions. Building credibility and rapport within these online communities can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts and instill trust among potential customers. By strategically leveraging Facebook, its groups, and the power of hashtags, you can expand your video's reach, tapping into a larger and more engaged audience. This approach enhances the prospects of earning substantial commissions through your affiliate marketing endeavors. The hands-free element. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its potential to create multiple income streams and generate passive earnings over time. Once you've successfully executed the strategy for promoting a specific affiliate product, you can replicate this process with other relevant products, expanding your affiliate marketing portfolio. The key here is diversification. By choosing different products in various niches or related to your target audience's interests, you reduce your reliance on a single income source. This approach not only broadens your reach, but also hedges against fluctuations in the performance of specific products or markets. As you build and maintain several affiliate marketing campaigns, each designed to promote a different product, you'll be strategically establishing a network of income streams. Each campaign operates independently, attracting its own audience and generating commissions through affiliate sales. Over time, these income streams can accumulate and become more substantial, providing a steady and growing source of revenue. The passive nature of affiliate marketing means that, even after your initial promotional efforts, your existing content and campaigns can continue to attract potential customers and earn commissions without constant hands-on involvement. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.